Hello students, welcome back in your English language class. Today our topic of discussion is prepositions. So let's start. Students, see, by its name only we are able to understand what is it about. If we divide the word prepositions into two parts like pre and position, then it is easy to understand. Pre means before and position means placing. That means preposition means placing before. Placing before what? Placing before a noun or a pronoun. So we get that a preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. For example, see some examples are given here. Who brought that painting on the wall? Here the preposition is on and the wall, this is a noun, right? So it is just placed, the preposition on is just placed before a noun. Again in second example, he is sitting under the tree. The word preposition, the word under, which is a preposition, is placed before the noun the tree. Okay, so it is clear that preposition, most of the time preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Now to understand preposition more, we will look at some sentences. First, there is a cow in the field. Okay, now we can see that in this sentence the word in shows the relation between two things. What are the two things? Cow and the field. The word in, the preposition in, is telling us about the place of the cow. Where is the cow? The cow is in the field. That means it is showing relation between cow and field. Next sentence. He is fond of tea. Again in this sentence, the word of, which is a preposition, shows the relation between the attribute expressed by the adjective fond and tea. Okay, that means here this word of, which is a preposition, is expressing or showing relation between adjective and a noun, adjective font and noun tea. Okay, next sentence, the cat jumped off the chair. In this sentence, the word of, which is the preposition here, shows the relation between the action expressed by the verb jumped and the chair. Okay, here again this preposition is showing relation between a verb and a noun. Verb jumped and noun chair. So I guess now you are able to understand that what is preposition, or you are able to guess the definition of preposition. So let's see. What is preposition? A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. Now, what is this other word? What can be the other word? The other word can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective, as we have seen in previous sentences, that the preposition was showing relation between an adjective and a noun, and a verb and a noun. Okay, that is other word. Now let's see some examples. These people voted against me. Voted is a verb, me pronoun, and against is the preposition which is showing relation between voted and me. Next, somebody is knocking at the door. Here again, knocking and the door is connected, or their relation is presented by the word at, which is a preposition. Now we will see some more examples of preposition which will help you to understand in a better way. Number 1, Mohan jumped into the lake. Here into is a preposition and it is showing relation between jumped and the lake. Number 2, when the picture started, we were in the hall. Next, number 3, his body is below the water. See, preposition below is placed before the noun, the water. Next, it is cool under the tree. Number 5, there is a huge banyan tree in front of my house. See the in front of, this is a group preposition. We will discuss about this in our next video. In front of is a group preposition and here it is showing relation between banyan tree and my house. It is showing the position or the place of banyan tree. Where is it? It is in front of my house. Okay. Next, number 6, little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Next, I can never return with my poor Dr. Trey. Number 8, look at the following sentences. I hope these examples helped you to understand preposition in a better way. Now students, prepositions can be classified in various ways. Though we don't need to classify, classification is not in our syllabus or we don't need to classify it in that way, but still you need to know about this. So one simple way is to describe them as preposition of time, place and movement. To make you understand, I made a map so that you will find it easy to understand. See, preposition and then classifications of preposition. So first is preposition of place. Now what do we mean by preposition of place? Place means where someone or something is. So when a preposition tells that where someone or something is, that means that is preposition of place. For example, Nikki is standing against a wall. See here, standing and then against a wall. Here against is a preposition, a wall is a noun. So it is telling us the place where Nikki is standing. Right now this word against is telling us that where Nikki is standing. She is standing against a wall. So it is telling us about the place. So it is preposition of place. Some more prepositions which can be used as preposition of place are at, on, in, before, during, by, and so many other, etc. it is not that when at is used only as preposition of place. It can be used as preposition of time. It can be used as preposition of direction and movement. It totally depends on the uses. How do we use it? And what does the sentence mean? Okay. Next is preposition of time. Time means when. We all know that it will tell the time. That means preposition of time will tell us when an event happens or happened. For example, Ricky swims on Saturdays. That means when you are asking that when does Ricky swim, you will get the answer Ricky swims on Saturdays. So on, this on preposition is telling us the time when this event happens, right? Some more prepositions of time are at, on, in, between, among, below, above, under, etc. These all prepositions can be used as preposition of time. Next is preposition of direction and movement. Now direction means in which someone or something comes or goes. In direction, that means this preposition will tell us the direction in which someone or something comes or goes. For example, Nikki is throwing ball at them. See the direction, not clearly the direction, or it is it can say the, or it can tell the movement also. Okay, Nikki is throwing ball at them. To whom? At them. At them. Okay. So here at is preposition of direction and movement. And some more prepositions are which can be used in preposition of direction and movement. They are into, out of, to, towards, along, across, under, over, through, etc. I hope this map helped you to understand the classifications of preposition. These three main classifications are there. Preposition. Number 1, preposition of place. Number 2, preposition of time. Number 3, preposition of direction and movement. And then it has been described how it works with example and with prepositions which can be used as these. Next, object of the preposition. It is very, very important. The noun or pronoun before which a preposition is placed is called the object of the preposition, as we have seen in previous sentences also. For example, in the park. Here in is preposition and the park is object of the preposition. Again here from is preposition and me is the object of the preposition. Okay, we have already read some examples like somebody is knocking at the door. Here at preposition, the door, object of the preposition. That means the word or the noun or pronoun which is just after placed after the preposition, that is object of the preposition. A preposition is usually placed before its object, as it is said above, but when the object is the relative pronoun, the preposition is always placed at the end. Okay, here is the watch that you asked for. Here, that is relative pronoun. And that's why preposition for is placed at the end. In this sentence, see, that is the relative pronoun and that is why for, that means which is preposition here, it is placed at the end. So whatever it is written here, a preposition is usually placed before its object. We have seen that in all the sentences we got that preposition is used before its object. But here in this sentence, we can see that preposition is placed at the end of the sentence because the object is the relative pronoun. Okay. Now you have one exercise. Do it. What you have to do, you have to pick out the prepositions and you have to name their object. It's very simple, very easy. We stay near the Patel Nagar metro station. What you have to do, first of all, you have to find out the preposition and then you have to see that there is relative pronoun or not in that sentence. If there is no relative pronoun, that means the word which is just after the preposition will be the object of the preposition. Okay. So sentence number 2 is the vehicle was parked far from the house. Number 3, don't lean against the wall. Number 4, this train stops at many stations. Number 5, I am proud of my school. Number 6, the fox jumped over the wall. Number 7, the teacher was writing on the green board. Number 8, show these reports to the doctor. So students, I hope you understood what is preposition, classifications and also object of the preposition. So up to this in this video. In our next video, we will learn the correct uses of preposition. Till then, thank you. See you online again. Bye bye.